Guys, so in my last video, I was explaining to you all that on a morning, I have a breakfast shake, right? So after that, on Instagram, I got a few messages from people asking me to share the recipe and whatnot. So I decided today, why not show you all how it is I make this. So this is something that I drink Monday to Friday. It is so good. The problem with me is I have poor digestion, so I really suffer with my stomach. It's bloated all the time. I feel sluggish, and once I don't feel good stomach wise, I don't feel good up here. So I have noticed that over the past few months drinking this, it really does help. And the thing about it is I go through phases a lot, and I have been going through a smoothie phase for over the past 4 or 5 months. So this is my go-to breakfast drink that I drink Monday to Friday, and as you all know, on weekends I have my green tea and whatnot. So let me stop yapping and get on with the video. Okay guys, so for this recipe what I use is half a cup of almond milk, half a cup of oats, 1 medium frozen banana, half a frozen beets, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Now you can have your fruits anyhow, but I prefer them frozen because it gives me a thicker consistency. And this beets is not boiled, it is just, I bought it, cut it up and put it in the freezer, and that's it. And yeah, so let's just add everything now to our blender. Liquid first, and then blend, blend, blend. I forgot to mention, to this I am adding 1 spoon of Greek yogurt as well. So I forgot to mention that. And now we blend. Guys, and this is the final product. This is so good for you. I absolutely love this. This is under 200 calories and it is very healthy and packed with a lot of nutrition. So in the description box below, I am going to list for you each one of the ingredients and their calorie count, so you can have a fair idea. So that's it. I am home today, so I would pour this in a glass and have this for breakfast. Usually I would just pour it in a mason jar and take it to work, and on the way to work I'll have that drink. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want, let me know if you guys try this and tell me how it tasted, tell me how you feel. For those of you with bad and poor digestion like myself, it really does work for you, the Greek yogurt especially. And yeah, so that's it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.